Hello tech lovers, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving us how to create a logo in Canva and also convert it into a 3D logo. Is this what you want? Why not subscribe? Watch this video to the end and don't forget to share this video. Once again, my name is Bumi, a digital marketing consultant, and I help entrepreneurs, small business owners to grow their business online. So without any further ado, let's dive into my computer. Thank you. So tech lovers, once again our topic is how to create a logo in Canva and you turn it into a 3D logo. When you want to create a logo, you need to make it too attractive you need to brand your business, okay? So in this video, you're going to see how you're going to be making this logo yourself. And if you need any assistance, you can get in touch with me on Instagram using my link in my Instagram bio to ask me any question. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's start. So now we'll go to, I've done some, if you're new on Canva and you want to you want to use this amazing tool, there's going to be a link in my description whereby when you sign up, you can sign up and use, there's going to be a 30 days free trials for you. Then you decide if you want to do the paid one or you want to continue with the free Canva tools. So the decision is yours. Okay, so Canva is really amazing. So now let's go straight to the point of today's topic. I've done some logos, so I'll be going through some of my projects because I don't want this video to be long, but I'll be giving you the top things you need to know about it. So I made this logo for a client. And after doing this different logo, I sent it to her and she decided to choose the one she loves among these three. So now, this is the one she chose, the number 3. So now I'll be telling you how I did this. I used a template. I chose, if you can see, there's a you can use Canvas template and you can start from the scratch to design your Canva. Okay, so this is logo. I used a template here and I designed my colors, I designed my themes, I did everything to my taste because when you're branding your business, you need to have a color code for your business. So I already asked this customer, and mind you, if you're in Regina, Saskatchewan, kindly patronize her. She's into food supply. She sells any kinds of African food and small chop snacks. So check her out on Instagram. I'm going to put her Instagram name on this video, and you can check the link also in the description. So after designing all this, I decided to say, oh, I think I want this design more beautiful. So I decided to turn it into a 3D logo for her instead of presenting it to her like this. So now this is the logo I made, and I made it in Canva. We're going to be doing 2 logos. So this is the number 1 logo. So I'm going to share this. I already showed you the way I did it. So this is logo. You can choose any brand, color, anything you want here, and you decide to design it yourself, and you can start from the scratch. But I'm not going to be doing a fresh logo in this video because I already did several logos here. Okay, which one do you like? This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And we're going to be turning number 3 because that's what she chose for her brand. So now I'm going to do this. We're going to be downloading number 3 as a transparent background. Okay, then I'm going to remove, because I don't want it to download everything, so I'm going to pick just page 3 and done. So I already, don't forget to click on transparent background. I'm going to tell you the reason. Okay, so now we're going to download our design. So now that we've downloaded our design, I'm going to save it. Can you see how it came out? I'm going to save it in my documents. I can save, no, I'm going to save it on my documents. Okay, so I saved it on my document already. And now we'll go to, okay, before I go to ProTube, this is an amazing app and it's totally free if you want to be a graphic designer. Meanwhile, I have a class if you want to join my Canva academic class and my affiliate marketing class. There's going to be a link in the description box, so try to sign up for it, and I'm going to pin it also in the comment section. So now this is, so we're going to come back to this Photopea, and this Photopea is going to do wonders to our logo. So I remember I told you we are going to do 2 logos, right? So now let's go back to our first logo. So this is another logo that I designed, and this is my own personal design, my company design. So I did several designs and I picked this, and this is how I came across this B and this P. So I went to elements and I clicked on, you look for B, alphabet B, and you choose the one that suits you, and you decide to, you choose the one that suits you, and you put the, you choose the front that you like, the one that you love. And after doing that, you come to, there are different designs here that you can choose from. So after choosing, you can see I chose this B, this one, um this letter, this one that I'm showing you right here, this is what I chose. And after doing that, I went to letter P, because my website is Booms's Lifestyle Printing, right? Booms's Lifestyle Prints. So it's a printing organization. So you can check my website in the description and patronize me. So I decided to check the one that is more attractive and beautiful. The one that is more attractive, this is close to it. This is close to it. So we keep on scrolling. So I just picked the one that I love from this P, and I decided to design it like this. And I wrote the reason, well, is BP, Booms's Lifestyle, right? Booms's Lifestyle Printing. So it's your printing house. So I put this, your printing house, down here, and this is what it is. So we're going to just go straight and we'll download it. And don't forget to click, always click transparent background, okay? And it's downloaded. So this is it. Can you see how it came? You choose the color you want. My color is red, and I save also in my documents. Booms's Lifestyle Print, so I can remember print. There's S there. Then I save as documents, okay? And that is it. So we go back to Photopea. This is where the magic comes right now. And when we come to Photopea, you will go to PSD. Just go to Google and you type Photopea. It's free, okay? You can use it. It's free, no sign up, nothing. So I went to mockup. You click on mockup, and we're going to be using this 3 glass window logo, okay? We're going to be using this 3 glass window logo for the 2 designs, and I'm going to click on this. So this will wait till it loads. I hope you are enjoying this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment in the video in the comment section and put shared out, okay? Thank you so much. So we're going to double click on this your logo because it must not show, and we're going to hide this text, Okay, then we'll go to our file. Remember, we saved the stuff, and we're going to, anyone that comes up will do first. Okay, this is the logo that came up first, so you enlarge it, you move it. Okay, and you save as smart object. You wait till it change to smart object. Okay, so now can you see? And after changing it to smart object, and you click on 3D, can you see how it came out? Is this not beautiful? Right? So easy. So now we're going to export it. I'm going to be exporting this into JPEG. You can put your you can do PNG, but I'm going to be doing using JPEG. Okay, and you can do PDF also, the one you want, but I'm going to be using JPEG, or perhaps let's use PNG. You export as PNG. Okay, then you can change your size, or you can leave it like this. Okay, and you save. Can you see? Can you see our 3D logo? Can you look at it? Then let's do the second one. So I'll come back here again, and I'm going to do the same thing. You go to PSD. Okay, you double click on this and you hide the text, and you go and put the other one, the second logo that we tried to download. Let me look for it here, because yeah, this is the second logo. So you enlarge it, you straighten it, you put it in the middle, and you save as smart object. You wait till it's changed, that it's updated. Okay, so you can see smart object updated, and you click on this. Isn't this beautiful? Da da da. So this is the end of our video for today. I hope you like what you see. Why not join the family and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and please share out for someone that is going to need this video. Someone is going to be in need of this video. Please share out, and thank you for watching till this time. Stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye for now.